Welcome to the Windows Club. I recently wanted to switch my laptop to high performance mode for some demanding tasks. But when I opened the power option, something was missing. Instead of seeing multiple power plans, I found that only the balanced power plan was available. If you are facing the same issue, don't worry. In this video, I will show you the effective ways to restore the missing power plans in Windows. Let's get started. Disable modern standby mode S0 and restore the missing power points. The systems that use modern standby mode S0 do not use other power modes. Because of this, only the balanced power plan is available in the Windows control panel. To see whether modern standby mode S0 is enabled on your system, open elevated command prompt window, type this command and press enter. Windows will now display all the sleep states supported by your computer. Since the next command modifies the Windows registry, I recommend creating a system restore point before proceeding. Now open command prompt as administrator again and execute this command. This command creates a registry value named platform A0 AC override with a dword value of 0. Here is what the value signifies. 1 means modern standby mode S0 is enabled. 0 means modern standby mode S0 is disabled. After executing the command, restart your PC. If the command fails to create the platform A0 AC override value, you can create it manually. Open the registry editor and navigate to this path. computer/hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/control/power. Make sure the power key is selected on the left. Now right-click in the empty space on the right side and select new then dword value. Name the new value platform A0 AC override. Double-click it, enter 0 in the value data field, click OK, close the registry editor and restart your system. After restarting, modern standby mode S0 will be disabled. If your system does not support modern standby mode S0, skip these steps. You can directly restore the missing power plans. Open command prompt as administrator and run this. After restoring the power plans, open control panel, search for power options and open it. You should now see all the restored power plans. If they don't appear, expand the show additional plan section. Change your BIOS settings. Next, change your BIOS settings. If you are using an Asus laptop, enter the BIOS, go to boot, then secure boot, and if you see the OS type option, change it. Then save the changes and restart your PC. If you notice any issue afterwards, simply change the OS type back to its original setting. That's how you can restore the missing power plans in Windows. If this guide helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Windows Club. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.